Hello everyone and welcome to Skayon tutorials. Today we're going to go through some shortcuts that can be very useful in everyday use and save you a bunch of time. So let's start. If you press V key on your keyboard, it's gonna enable the free move tool, which you can use for moving objects around. If you hold Ctrl key and press on any object, the object is going to be selected on the right as well. Alt, Ctrl and Z key is gonna undo your previous move. Ctrl, Shift, Z to redo your previous move. Press F 2 times to enter the full screen mode. If you want to select multiple objects, just hold Ctrl and select the objects you want. And if you want to group them, just press Ctrl G and it's gonna group them in a single group. And delete to remove it. Ctrl plus J to duplicate the object you want. Ctrl plus 1, it's gonna zoom 100%. By holding Alt key and scrolling up or down on your mouse, it is going to zoom in or zoom out. Ctrl T is going to enable the free transform tool. By holding Shift key while transforming an object, it's going to transform by keeping its aspect ratio. If there's a dot here, that means that the file isn't saved, so press Ctrl S to save it. So that's it for this tutorial. If you want more tutorials like this one, make sure to like this video, subscribe and share this video to your friends so they can also learn something new, and see you in the next one.